Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. It is Saturday, 6:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm going to dive into the weeds on the Bitcoin chart. Guys, as always, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Also, if you guys enjoy the content and appreciate the time that I spend doing this, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications button to be notified of new videos that are coming out. All right, so we are looking at Bitcoin here. I'm not going to get into the larger time frame. We're just going to kind of focus on the smaller time frame, the lower time frame, and look at this potential scenario that we've got brewing. This price action has been extremely choppy and odd and very sloppy, to say the least, which leads me to believe that we are in some sort of a B-wave structure. I have got I've got this whole entire structure coming up as a 1, and then, some sort of an A, and then this is either going to be, a high B up here, and then coming back down for our C into my main support zone like that. That scenario right now is not my primary anymore because we failed to break above this 30,029, and it's kind of looking a little weak. It looks like it's going to fall off a cliff here, which opens the door to a potential triangle, which is an A, B, C, D, E. And guys, triangles are really impossible to predict. Obviously anything in these markets is impossible to predict. You just have to use, your best judgment and, probabilities based on your technical analysis. My fundamental TA happens to be Elliott wave. So from an Elliott wave standpoint, the choppiness of this leads me to believe that we are in a B wave. This B wave could unfold in a couple different ways. It could be a high overshooting B. It could be this triangle, or it could also be that we have the B in, and we could just fall straight down into our C wave from here. So there's really 3 scenarios that are possible. The triangle scenario would unfold like this, where you would have basically this would be an A, B, and this is a C up to put in your A. This is an A, B, C down to put in your B, and then you'd have an A, B, C, D, E. Or this could just be, like I said, this could be your B here, and we are going to shoot straight down on our C wave into our support zone. So it just, really depends how it plays out, but that is my ultimate scenario right now. Basically until we break this alt B is no longer, my primary. I was thinking that we would get this alt B, but since we did fail to break above that 30,039 there, I believe we are, probably going to consolidate up here in this triangle maybe, and then fall out of it into the support zone. That would probably be the most painful scenario for traders and for people in the market in general, which usually the markets like to, endure max pain in order to chop people up, liquidate them, over leveraged traders, so forth and so on. So, the triangle here would not surprise me in the least bit, but nor would obviously us just dropping straight through the bottom, since this is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can do some crazy things. So those are kind of my scenarios that I'm looking at here with Bitcoin. I will keep you all updated. See you later.